1872, Atlantic Ocean. A ship was found sailing itself. 10 people had been aboard. They were gone. Breakfast was still on the table. This is the Mary Celeste, and nobody has ever explained it. The Mary Celeste was a 282-ton brigantine that departed New York on November 7, 1872. She was carrying 1,701 barrels of commercial alcohol. Bound for Genoa, Italy, aboard were her captain, Benjamin Briggs, his wife Sarah, their 2-year-old daughter Sophia, and a crew of 7. On December 4, 1872, a British ship called the DEI Gracia spotted the Mary Celeste sailing erratically. Approximately 400 miles east of the Azores, they hailed her, no response. They boarded her, she was empty. The DEI Gracia's crew searched the Mary Celeste thoroughly. What they found has been documented in the official salvage hearing records. The ship's cargo was almost entirely intact. The crew's personal belongings were untouched. Clothing, pipes, valuables left behind. Food and water supplies were sufficient for 6 months. The ship's clock and compass were damaged. The sextant and marine chronometer were missing. 1 lifeboat was gone. The last entry in the ship's log was dated November 25th. 9 days before the ship was found, it recorded nothing unusual. Whatever happened after November 25th, and it happened without warning. Investigators, maritime historians, and researchers have proposed explanations for 150 years. A sea quake beneath the ship may have caused the crew to fear the cargo was unstable. They may have evacuated to the lifeboat temporarily. And the towline connecting the lifeboat to the ship may have snapped. This is the most widely accepted theory. It explains the missing lifeboat. It explains the navigational instruments being taken. It explains the personal belongings left behind. It does not explain why 10 people were never found. Not one body, not one piece of debris, not the lifeboat, nothing. The Mary Celeste is the most famous ghost ship in history. She is not the only one. In 1955, the MV Joyita was found adrift in the Pacific Ocean. 25 passengers and crew gone. The ship was flooded but would not sink. Distress signals had been sent. No one heard them. No survivors were ever found. In 2006, a catamaran was found drifting off the coast of Australia. 2 men had been aboard. The engine was running. The laptop was on. A meal was half eaten on the table. Their emergency beacon had never been activated. The men were never found. These are the documented cases. There are others with fewer records. And there is the ocean itself, which has never been required to explain anything. The ocean covers 71% of the Earth's surface. Average depth, 12,100 feet. The deepest point is nearly 36,000 feet down. Almost 7 miles. We have mapped approximately 25% of the ocean floor. We have better maps of the surface of Mars than we do of the bottom of our own ocean. Maritime records estimate that for every person lost at sea whose body is eventually recovered. Several more are never found. The ocean does not give back everything it takes. Sometimes it takes the people and leaves the ship and offers no further comment. The Mary Celeste was eventually sold. She changed hands multiple times. Her final owner deliberately wrecked her on a reef off Haiti in 1885. As part of an insurance fraud scheme, she was identified by her hull. Even wrecked, she was recognizable. The 10 people who vanished from her deck in November 1872 have never been accounted for. Captain Briggs, Sarah Briggs, Sophia Briggs, age 2, 7 crew members, gone without explanation into an ocean that keeps its secrets better than anyone keeps theirs. What do you think happened? Drop your theory in the comments. Follow Strange Fact Society. The questions nobody has answered yet.